Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Located along the Pacific Rim Highway near Ucluelet, British Columbia. ʔaʔukmin Tribal Park is a significant natural and cultural area within the traditional territory of the Tla-o-qui-aht First Nation. The park's name translates to like a great feast bowl, reflecting the land's historical abundance. Encompassing diverse ecosystems such as ancient rainforests, rivers, and coastal areas, ʔaʔukmin Tribal Park offers visitors a chance to experience the rich biodiversity of the region. The park is part of the larger Tla-o-qui-aht Tribal Parks network, which includes some of the largest remaining intact ancient rainforests on Vancouver Island. The Tla-o-qui-aht First Nation manages these lands with a focus on ecological stewardship and cultural preservation. Visitors are encouraged to engage with the land respectfully, embracing the indigenous principles of observing, appreciating, and acting accordingly. While exploring ʔaʔukmin Tribal Park, guests can enjoy various outdoor activities, including hiking through lush forests, observing local wildlife, and learning about the cultural significance of the area. The park serves as a living example of how indigenous-led conservation efforts can promote environmental sustainability and cultural resilience. For those traveling along the Pacific Rim Highway, a visit to ʔaʔukmin Tribal Park offers an opportunity to connect with the natural beauty and cultural heritage of the Tla-o-qui-aht First Nation.
Thanks for watching!